It is raining so heavily today, and it's good to see the rain right standing from the veranda. Welcome back, friends. This is Pratima again in your own channel Beauty Health Tips. This is monsoon time and all of us have a similar problem. Guess what? Yes, the hair fall. See my hair. See the hair. So, today I'll give you a very simple and effective solution right at your home. Guys, I've come to my terrace again and I'm going to find the prime ingredient that will stop hair fall. Yes, this is aloe vera plant and I'm cutting down 2 leaves from the aloe vera plant. Yes, this will be fine for my hair length. See, this too will be fine as I have the hair length till the shoulders. If you have long hair, you will be needing more. Next is onion. Now I've cut the onion and I've taken it in the mixer jar. I'll make a paste out of it. Next I've taken a glass bowl and I will pour the paste on the glass bowl with the sieving tool in it. I'll take all the paste and now I will extract the juice firmly by pressing it. See, just have a look. Just a single onion and you can see good quantity of juice. The next thing is pouring the aloe vera gel over the onion juice. The aloe vera leaves that I have extracted have cut from the plant. Now just watch how to cut the aloe vera leaf. Just cut from the middle and slice it like this. See. Now extract the aloe vera gel from it. Carry on with this procedure for the second aloe vera leaf also. First of all, I'll part my hair like this. Now, just bring it in two sides. Okay. Now, dip the cotton on the solution and now just apply it on your hair roots like this. This way you apply it all over your hair. I'm applying it on my hair roots because I need to strengthen the root. Then only the problem of hair fall will disappear. So I will suggest you guys to apply it on the hair roots. Whether you apply it on your hair or not, that's optional. That is completely on you. If you apply it on your hair also, this will give a very good result. But don't just apply it once and leave it. Then your hair problem won't get a solution. You have to apply it at least twice or three times in a week. Then only you can get a proper solution. Guys, now I'm done with application of the entire hair mask. Now the next step is spa. Yes, I can give the spa right at home. I've got a spa cap. Okay, you'll get it easily in any of the online shopping site, Amazon or Flipkart, whatever it is. And I'll put it in my hair, just like this. Now I'll switch on. See the light. See, you can see the light is glowing. Yes. Now you have to keep this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes it will be done. I'll come back after 10 minutes. Hello friends, now my spa part is done. The next step would be washing my hair. You can use any of the mild hair shampoo. Let's come back after I wash my hair. Stay tuned. Welcome back friends. So my hair washing is done. So look my hair. See the shine and see there is no hair fall. So you can see the difference of applying the combination of this onion juice as well as aloe vera gel. Just try it, you will definitely enjoy. See how soft, how supple and how healthy my hair has become, and there is no hair fall. Just after one wash only you can see there is reduced hair fall. Try it and I'll come back with other videos, creative and innovative. Thank you.